In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass ban on Discord. To get started, open the Discord app and head into the server you want to manage. Once you're inside the correct server, click on the server name and open Server Settings. This is where you'll find the moderation and member management tools you need. From there, click on Members. At the top of this page, you'll see several options that help you narrow down which users you want to review. One of the most useful tools here is the Filter menu, which is shown with slider-style options. Click that to begin selecting the variables you want to use. In most cases, if you're dealing with a raid or a large wave of unwanted accounts, you'll want to use filters like Member Since or Join Discord. These make it easier to identify recently added members or accounts that may look suspicious based on when they joined. Choose the filter you want to apply, and if needed, you can also use a custom range for more precise control. You're not limited to just one filter, either. You can combine multiple filters to narrow your search even further, which is especially helpful if you want to avoid banning the wrong people and only target the accounts that match your criteria. Once your filtered results are showing, go to the name box at the top left and use it to select all users that fit the current filter. After that, click the Ban Members button. Discord will then ask you to provide a reason for the ban. Be as clear as needed for your moderation records. You'll also be able to choose how much message history to delete, so select the time frame that best fits the situation. When everything looks correct, click the ban button to confirm. And that's how to mass ban members on Discord quickly and efficiently.